Hello everyone, this is Smiti. Today I'll teach you the medieval period. This is the ninth chapter of SST of class 7th. So, what is medieval period? The medieval period is the middle part of the history. Our history is divided into three parts: the ancient, the medieval, and the modern period. The range of the medieval period is from 8th to 18th century CE. So, what are the sources from where we can get to know about the medieval period? First one, we have the literary works. The literature of that period consists of Purans, Smritis, etc. What are they? They are the traditional writings of that time or the traditional teachings of that time. We get a lot of information about the social, political, and economic life of people of that time from non religious works on dramas, medicines, astronomy, etc. The autobiographies, the orders, the letters written by the rulers of that time are also the sources of information. What are autobiographies? Autobiographies is the account of one's own life written in a book form. And biography, if someone else write about someone's life, then it is known as biography. Example, the Prithvi Raj Raso written by Chand Bardai gives us the account of information about the administration during the reign of Prithvi Raj Chauhan. Now we have the historical accounts. The well-known works of history of that period are Tehqiq-i Hind by Al-Barani. Then we have the biography or the Ani Akbari that was written by Abul Fazal, which were written in Persian language. Then we have the travel accounts. What are travel accounts? Some of the travelers that came to India during that time used to keep the account, such as the accounts of Berner, Marco Polo, and Ibn Battuta tells us about the medieval period. Then we have manuscripts. What are manuscripts? Manuscripts are original document, handwritten documents. So, important achievement of that period was that popularity of paper. This encouraged people to keep records. Records of this period exist in variety of languages that have gone under different changes, such as changes in interpretation, changes in grammar, etc. For example, the word Hindustani was interpreted as the place where Hindus lived. But how Hindustan is interpreted now? It is interpreted as Bharat or India. So words have also undergone changes. This was a period of great technological change, such as the spinning wheel and the Persian wheel. What is a Persian wheel? It was a technique to draw water from the wells. Then we have the spinning wheel. It was used or it is used to spin clothes or weave clothes. Then last one we have the excavation. Excavation of the medieval towns, sarais and villages. What is excavation? Excavation means digging out and finding out. So when the places of that time was digged out, then whatever information we got, that also tells us about that period. What are sarais? Sarais are the inns where the travelers used to live, inns or the hotels. Then the paintings, coins, sculptures found out during that period from digging out, they also tells us about the medieval period. So these are the sources of information about that period. Thank you.